Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick video, grabbed some items from AutoZone as well as O'Reilly's. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. It's for the 4Runner. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I had to pick up some items from the 4Runner. Previous video, I did show these real quick. I didn't really take anything out of a bag, but went to the bank, drop off some money, grab some checks, and do some other stuff, and came home about 4 or 5 hours later. Went out to go jump in my truck and the 4Runner, and saw a giant puddle coming right outside the rear passenger side wheel, and giant massive puddle of diff fluid. So got to do the seals. So I grabbed just 4 bottles of heavy duty high performance Lucas SAE 80 weight 90 gear oil, trans, and diff lube. Grabbed 4 bottles of it. I'm not going to use all of that, but figured I'd grab some extra. This is from AutoZone. This bag is from O'Reilly's, and I usually buy more than I need. I do have a couple bottles of this already, because I anticipated that when the seals went out, I would install the conversion on the rear from drums to calipers and rotors. Problem is I can't find any calipers at the moment. If anybody knows where I can get 2004 SVT Cobra rear calipers, please let me know. I need calipers and brackets, and I already know what rotors I need to get. Just 2004 4Runner rotors will work just fine for the conversion. I have the conversion kit. I just do not. I have the brackets and everything I need. I just do not have the calipers, and they're not easy to find. I was planning on doing the conversion and doing the seals at that time, but seal blew, so it's just easier just to do the seals now. I don't have the calipers, so I'm gonna have to destroy the seals when I do the conversion. That's all there is to it. It's not easy to find Cobra calipers for an SVT Cobra, but if anybody knows where I can get Cobra calipers, let me know. I need them for the rear of a 2004 SVT Ford Cobra. And next, I'm just going to throw the O'Reilly stuff in here too. The O'Reilly stuff is 2 rear seals for the 4Runner. And I grabbed these because I actually have 2 seals. I have 2 other seals. I have some SK seals. I don't want to use the SK seals. I want the SK seals to be used when I do the conversion. So I just picked these up. These are 15. I got them from O'Reilly for 2. Part number for 2000 Toyota 4Runner rear axle. If you guys need these seals, if you guys are at O'Reilly's, it is PT 1956 and or 18964. Hope that information helps. And the other thing that's in here is a 1/4 inch aluminum 100 tooth ratchet. I do have these guys over here. I do have the bigger ratchets. I've never seen the 1/4 inch before. I was hoping they would come out with a 1/4 inch. I have the 1/2 inch. This one's the 1/2 inch right here. And this one is the 3/8. I use these all the time. I love them. They are a lot lighter. They are more comfortable to use, which is nice. 1/2 inch. 3/8. And 1/4 inch. The gentleman at O'Reilly's told me that the manager at O'Reilly's told me that he had just got this in today, and he only had one, and I grabbed it. It is part number Paul Tony 12160. It's on the Ratchet as well. I love these ratchets. It's nice that they have the 1/4 inch model now. See if I can get the clip off. Got it? So this is what the 1/4 inch looks like. Sounds really nice. And all of these aluminum ratchets have pretty wide heads on them. They're not like significantly, like massively different. But this one is 1/2 inch. So the 1/4 inch head is 1/2 inch wide. The 3/8 is 5/8 wide. And the 1/2 inch is 3/4 wide. So the head on this guy, they're not narrow, they're not small. Main reason is there has to be more aluminum to take the force from this gear. And they sound really good. I'm not too worried about it. I like them. I use them quite a bit. I'm happy to add this 1/4 inch to my collection. And I'll let you guys know in the future how well it holds up. These are 100 tooth ratchets. Husky at Home Depot also has 100 and I think 44 tooth. I have a couple 160 tooth ratchets. Those are made by Cobra. This guy right here is 160 tooth. Which is hard to see on the camera. Let me turn this light on. There you go. These are 160 tooth. These are the Steelman Pro Cobra ratchets. It says right here 160 LFS. This is for the flex head because this is a flex head. It's a locking flex head. These ratchets are really nice. I don't use them very often. You can tell it's definitely a crap ton finer than these aluminum ratchets from O'Reilly's Power Torque. But these do come in handy. The Husky just came out with the 144 tooth. And Gear Wrench obviously has their 120 tooth, 120 XP, which is 120 tooth. These are very nice ratchets. This one was $24. This one was $24, and I believe this one was I think they're all $24 after tax, if I remember correctly. I could be wrong. I do know that this little 1/4 inch cost me $24 today. They're very nice ratchets. I do like the selectors. They're very, very nice. You can, if you put this in the center, you can actually lock the pawls. But just wanted to give you guys a quick update. These are for the 4Runner. I would rather put these seals in because these, for 2 of them, was $15. The SK seals that I got from Napa, they cost like $35 a seal, so it's like $60. I wanted, if I go in to install seals and I have to rip them out to do a conversion from a drum brake system to a caliper system, I don't want to destroy $60, almost $70 worth of seals, or $80 worth of seals. Yeah, it'd be $70 worth of seals. It'd be easier just to destroy these when I go to do it because they're 15 bucks. Similar seals, but I'll let you guys know down the road. I've been using the 1/2 inch and the 3/8 quite a bit for these ratchets. They are pretty dinged up on the handles. I have grease spots all over them and stuff. But I'll let you guys know down the road how well the 1/4 inch does, and I'll probably do a collective video on them. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I do appreciate you guys' time and you guys stopping by and checking out the video. Top of the description below, I also do have an Ulsa Tools link. You guys click on that link, it'll get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my order at ulsatools.com the next time I order from them. So it does help. You guys need toolbox organization stuff or small hand tools. You know, they have great stuff. Yeah, nice torque wrenches. They have a torque screwdriver I have as well. So they do have great tools. They've held up for me so far, especially all of the toolbox organization stuff, the socket rails and everything. And if you don't want to use it, it's no big deal. If you do use it, I do appreciate it. It helps me bring tools to the channel from Ulsa Tools. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace!